I don't really know who I am. I don't know what I believe. I served as governor for 4 years. Like a miniskirt, it was short and revealing. I was liberal, but I was conservative as well. I'm pro-life, but I had no difficulty supporting abortion. And then I decided to run for national office and don't have an idea why. Everybody I talked to said it's a bad idea, but I love debate and disagreement over issues. And in the case of Obamacare, I disagree with myself. I supported the idea of an individual mandate, but I oppose what the president did. And also with regards to gay marriage, I looked at some of my policies and said, gosh, I have exactly the opposite view today. One reason, of course, is that I hope to represent all Americans. And I think the American people have differing views. And I agree with the American people. I believe in America. I'd like to ask you to join with us. Volunteer, donate, or just pass this message along to a friend. Thanks so much.